The COVID-19 Omicron surge is causing staff and students to get sick. Since school started in August, cases have steadily been getting higher, but December and January saw the most daily reported cases so far.
Yes, I had COVID in early December 2021. When I had COVID, I had a slight fever the first day and a little bit of congestion, but other than that, I felt completely fine. I just had to quarantine for like 10 days.
I did have COVID in the past. I got it the first week of January, so the first day of the new year. And I isolated myself for 10 days in my house, and I was really bored. But I'm glad that I didn't get it while I was in school, because then I would have to miss my learning abilities and experiences at school.
I got COVID over winter break, during Christmas, and my birthday. It was really bad. I was sneezing a lot and coughing, and I had a headache and a stomach ache, and very unpleasant.
The Omicron surge comes in addition to new CDC guidelines that reduce the 10-day isolation period to 5 days.
The CDC has a lot of people smarter than me, so if they feel it's a good way, then I'm going to follow with that.
The new 5-day guidelines I think are really nice. Although I had to wait 10 days and they turned it into 5 right after I got out of my quarantine, I think it'll be a lot easier for everyone to come back to school, and it'll be easier for if we all leave, come back.
I think it's better because if you don't have symptoms or feel a lot better, it's better to be outside, not cooped up in a room. And it's just easier on your mental health and stuff like that from being isolated from everyone.
I feel like that is gearing towards the motivation for people to get back to work and hopefully to normalize stuff. But I think ultimately it is harmful, because a lot of people, they can be positive for a while, and my symptoms didn't go away in 5 days. I was quarantined for 5 days. They didn't go away.
Even as COVID-19 cases are rising, most students and staff that we spoke to said they continue to feel safe. But the threat of contracting COVID-19 is greater than ever, especially as the mask mandate comes into question.
I do feel safe at school. I feel like the school's handling the COVID very seriously, and I appreciate how much they care about us.
As safe as could be.
I do, but I think that FCPS should close down schools, because it's better to have everyone safe and not have to miss school because people are getting COVID.
I don't feel safe. We should be online, I think. Especially as new data's coming out that a lot of masks people are using aren't as effective as we thought, especially because Omicron is super contagious. I think we should be online.
This has been Karina Bhatt reporting for WMHS News.